Are you ready to have your mind blown? Today, we are taking you on a journey through the cosmos to reveal 10 incredible space facts that will forever change how you see the universe. From mind-boggling distances to bizarre celestial objects, these revelations will leave you in awe of the wonders that lie beyond our planet. So buckle up, space cadets, and prepare for takeoff. We're bringing the galaxy to you. Number 10. Time is relative. In the grand scheme of things, our planet Earth is just a tiny speck of dust in the vast expanse of the universe. To put things into perspective, consider the sheer size of our solar system. The Earth revolves around the Sun at an average distance of 149 million kilometers. And if we were to zoom out even further, we would find ourselves in the Milky Way galaxy, a swirling mass of stars that stretches over 100,000 light years. Our Sun is just one of billions of stars in this galaxy, and each star has its own planetary system. It is mind-boggling to think that there could be countless Earths out there, each with its own unique set of planets and moons. As we continue to explore the depths of space, we are constantly reminded of how small and insignificant we are as humans. But it is precisely this realization that makes us appreciate the beauty and wonder of the universe all the more. Number 9. A year on Venus. Have you ever wondered what a year on Venus would be like? Well, it's not for the faint of heart. Venus is known as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition. However, the similarities end there. The Venusian year is nearly twice as long as Earth's, with one full orbit around the Sun taking 2,247 Earth days. But wait, it gets weirder. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to Earth, which means that when we are having winter, they are having summer. And with an average surface temperature of 370 degrees Celsius, you'd better pack your sunscreen. Oh, and did we mention that Venus has no moon? That's right. As much as we love gazing at the stars, even the most avid astronomers agree that the true beauty of the night sky lies in the phases of the moon. But for the people of Venus, they don't get to enjoy this celestial show. With no moon to illuminate their nights, Venus is shrouded in darkness for several hours each day, making it one of the most mysterious planets in the solar system. Number 8. Distant thunder. Imagine you are standing on the surface of the sun, and suddenly you hear a clap of thunder. What do you think? The sound must be deafening. Well, you wouldn't be able to hear anything at all. Sound waves need a medium to travel through, such as air or water. And the sun doesn't have any of that. It is a giant ball of hot gas. In fact, there is no sound in space at all. Any noises we hear from space, such as the roaring of a rocket launch, are actually the result of sound waves traveling through the gases in our atmosphere. So if you ever hear thunder while looking up at the night sky, just remember that it's not the sound of the universe crashing down around you. It's just some distant fireworks. Number 7. Black hole horizon. Here's a question for you. If you fell into a black hole, how long would it take before you disappeared completely? The answer is that you wouldn't disappear immediately. Instead, you would cross the event horizon and enter the black hole. But once you reached that point of no return, you would be met with a strange sight. Due to the intense gravity, everything would appear to be pulled towards the center of the black hole. You would see stars being stretched and distorted until they looked like giant noodles. Then as you approach the singularity, the gravitational pull would become so strong that not even light could escape. At this point, you would be utterly crushed and stretched into a pancake-like shape before being pulled into the infinite abyss. And if that doesn't scare you, we don't know what will. Number 6. A day in the life of a star. Stars may seem like static points of light in the night sky, but they are actually dynamic and ever-changing celestial objects. The life cycle of a star is a fascinating process that can span billions of years. Stars are born in nebulae, which are giant clouds of gas and dust. As gravity pulls together the material in the nebula, a protostar forms and begins to collapse. As the protostar continues to collapse, the pressure and temperature at its core increase dramatically. Eventually, the conditions are right for nuclear fusion to begin, and the star is born. Throughout their lives, stars go through periods of stability and change, adjusting their size and brightness as they convert hydrogen to helium in their cores. When a star reaches the end of its life, it can go supernova, leaving behind a neutron star or black hole. These stellar remnants can then form the building blocks for new stars and planets, continuing the cycle of cosmic creation. Number 5. Rogue planets. Imagine a world without a star, a planet without a home. That's the reality for rogue planets, also known as free-floating planets. These mysterious objects are believed to make up a significant portion of the planets in the Milky Way, but they are difficult to detect because they don't emit light like stars do. Instead, rogues are only visible when they pass in front of a background star, casting a shadow that allows astronomers to measure their size and mass. Some rogues are thought to have been kicked out of their planetary systems by the gravitational pull of another star, while others may have formed in isolated regions of the galaxy where stars are far apart. One such rogue planet, nicknamed the Hobo 1, is believed to be over 4,500 light-years away from Earth. This discovery suggests that there could be many more rogue planets out there waiting to be discovered. Number 4. Gravity Assist. Picture this. You are an astronaut hurtling through space on a mission to explore the farthest reaches of the solar system. Your ship is low on fuel, but luckily you have planned your route to include a gravity assist around Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. As your ship approaches Jupiter, it picks up speed, allowing you to conserve precious fuel. Once you pass the planet, you are now on a trajectory that will take you even further into the depths of space. Thanks to the gravitational assist, you have extended your reach without expending additional fuel. Gravity assists have allowed spacecraft to explore more of the solar system than would have been possible otherwise. In fact, NASA's Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft used gravity assists to slingshot around Jupiter and Saturn, gaining enough speed to escape the solar system entirely. Number 3. Supernovas. The night sky suddenly brightens with an otherworldly glow. A star has exploded in a supernova, one of the most spectacular events in the universe. These stellar explosions occur at the end of a star's life when it runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity. As the star implodes, its outer layers are thrown into space, creating a glowing cloud of gas and dust. Supernovas are so bright that they can outshine entire galaxies. They are also incredibly powerful, releasing energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. But despite their destructive nature, supernovas play a vital role in the universe. They are responsible for creating many of the elements that are essential for life, such as oxygen and iron. Additionally, the shock waves from supernovas can trigger the formation of new stars and planets. Number 2. Cosmic microwave background radiation. The universe has a lot to say, but sometimes its whispers can be hard to hear. That's why scientists are turning to the cosmic microwave background radiation for clues about the universe's origins. This faint glow is left over from the Big Bang, the universe's unimaginably hot and dense beginning. By studying the CMB, scientists can learn about the universe's evolution and composition. The CMB is so important that it is considered the universe's baby picture. It provides a snapshot of the universe as it was just 400,000 years after the Big Bang, when the universe was still very young. The CMB also helps scientists test theories about the universe's origins and evolution. By comparing the observed features of the CMB to predictions made by different models, scientists can refine their understanding of how the universe evolved from a hot, dense state to the complex web of galaxies and stars we see today. Number 1. The Great Attractor. Are you drawn to the mysteries of the unknown? Then let us tell you about the Great Attractor, a region in space that is literally pulling everything towards it. Located to 140 million light-years away, this massive structure is so dense that it exerts a gravitational force on galaxies within 10 million light-years of it. Astronomers have studied the Great Attractor for decades, and yet its true nature remains a mystery. What we know is that it is not a black hole, but rather a massive cluster of galaxies. The Great Attractor has a diameter of 500 million light-years and contains hundreds of thousands of galaxies. Its gravity has such a strong pull that it affects the motion of entire galaxies. The Great Attractor is a testament to the immense power of gravity and serves as a reminder of the vastness and complexity of the universe. Now that you have expanded your knowledge of the cosmos, it's time to put it to the test. Do you think you could navigate your way through a black hole or survive a year on Venus? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the universe. We hope you have learned something new and exciting about the cosmos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on all things space. Until next time, keep looking up.